Ensure to clean your filter weekly for optimal machine performance. Make sure your machine is powered off and unplugged before cleaning the filter. To access the filter, remove the screws from the left-hand panel of the machine. Lift the bottom of the panel out and up to release and remove. Remove the filter. Wash the filter under running water to remove dust and debris. Routine weekly filter cleaning will greatly improve the performance as well as the lifespan of your machine. Once your filter is clean, shake off any excess water. If your filter becomes brittle or cracked, it's time to replace it. Before replacing your clean filter, you need to clean the condenser coils. Take a soft bristle toothbrush or paintbrush and clean the condenser coils using a vertical up and down motion. When the condenser coils are clean, you can replace the clean filter. It's alright if the filter is slightly damp. Replace the machine's side panel by inserting the top first, then pressing down on the bottom corners, and reinsert your thumb screws. Your Ugolini machine is now ready for operation.